two things for me. First, becoming a father, that is a lifetime change. You can't deprogram yourself once you're a parent. That's first of all. Second of all has been the death of my wife. It was not expected and traumatic and shocking and made me question everything and made me want to give up for a while and then not want to give up and learn to appreciate everything and be grateful and completely change my point of view of the entire world and how precious and unqualified we are to judge the amount of time we think we have.